Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers appreciate you. New viewers, you should subscribe because you're going to get a great recipe like this one today, where I'm going to take barbecue chicken and kind of mash it up as a burger. So we're going to make barbecue chicken burgers. Let's check it out. All right, let's go over some of the stuff that we got laying out, and then we'll just throw everything together. There is a teaspoon of minced garlic inside of my Worcestershire sauce, which is 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and then I have 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I'm doing that because my family doesn't like spicy. Feel free to mix that up however you want. And then I have some paprika, 1/4 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, black, and 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. I have a 1/4 cup of chopped onion, and then I have about a cup or so of barbecue sauce. And then I have some cheese and some tomatoes and some buns for later on. And a pound of ground chicken. So, jumping right in, I'm going to put in these onions, my spices, my garlic and Worcestershire. And then I'm going to put in about half right now. And we'll see how wet it is. And that's going to be your gauge, because you don't want it to be too wet, because we want to make patties out of it. From here, just get your hands dirty, make sure they're clean. And just combine them up like you would a hamburger. So if you put onions or whatever in there, same principle here, right? You're going to get about 4 to 5 patties. I'm going to make a small one for my littlest one. But if you're trying to do 1/4 pounds, it's a pound, so do the math. So that's all there is to it. We're just going to make some little patties. When I come back, we'll get over to the skillet. All right, so I ended up getting the 5 patties. Like I said, they're thin, and just know that ground chicken is it's looser. So if you want to put a binding agent, like some breadcrumbs in there, that would be good. But I didn't want the bread in mine, so feel free to add some breadcrumbs. And let's jump over here. You could also do green bell peppers or something like that in there if you like that. This is chicken stock. I'm using this to just basically keep everything from sticking. My pan is on a 4, and you can see it's already on. Just getting enough to coat the pan. I'd say that's about probably 3 tablespoons, if that. If you don't want to use chicken stock and you prefer to use oil or butter, you can. I would say a couple tablespoons of either. I'm just going to set these on. Probably about 8 to 10 minutes per side. But just, use your head and watch it, see when it starts to whiten up. And we'll be back then. All right, I got about a minute or 2 left on the other side, but you can see it's browned up. You're not going to get really strong grill marks because it's barbecue, but you can kind of see where they were. Let's get ready to plate this up. So we used about half of the cup of barbecue sauce that we had originally laid out, which is by design. And I'm just going to put a little bit on the bottom. All right, so we put a couple slices of tomato on in our barbecue burger. I'm just going to put some cheese right on top there. That'll melt down. If it doesn't, you can heat it up, or you can do it over here if you like it with it on. And the best way to melt cheese on here is to get it on and then cover so that it steams down.
Huge thumbs up.
You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Check back for the next video. Remember to ring the bell when you subscribe. Otherwise, take care.